Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So let me start. Last time we discussed Taylor series and Maclaurin theory. Okay, Taylor series and Maclaurin theorem. So today we start the next part. What is the next part is remaining?
Indeterminate form.
Indeterminate form. Okay, okay. So already I will share that assignment to you. Okay, that assignment containing the question from Taylor theorem, the question from Maclaurin theorem, and the question from indeterminate form. Okay, so already we are taught that topic, Taylor theorem and Maclaurin theorem. Okay, already we discussed that topic. So what is the topic is remaining? Yes, our topic is remaining is what? Indeterminate form, that limit. Okay, मग तुम्हाला जे दिलेले आहेत 106 क्वेश्चन त्यापैकी जेवढे इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म सॉरी ह्याचे सॉल्व्ह होतात कशाचे एक्सपान्शन ऑफ फंक्शनचे जेवढे सॉल्व्ह होतात तेवढे सॉल्व्ह करायचे म्हणजे दॅट इज अ इंडिटरमिनेट मॅक्लॉरन थेरम अँड टेलर थेरम हे तेवढ्या टॉपिक वरती जेवढे एक्झाम्पल आय थिंक 50 एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह होतील तेवढे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करा नंतर जसं आपलं हे पुढे जाईल इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म जसं पुढे जाईल तसं तुम्ही काय करू शकता त्याचे पण एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकतात ओके before you start our lecture day before yesterday I will put the link one link on a telegram group that is a test link okay मी आणखी रिझल्ट शेअर केलेला नाहीये तुम्हाला रिझल्ट भेटलेला नाही तुमचा आणखीन ओके तर रोल नंबर 5 हॅलो रोल नंबर 5
Yes, sir.
तुम्ही एक्झाम दिलेली नाहीये टेस्ट दिलेली नाही युनिट टेस्ट hello
Sorry, sir. I can't hear you properly. What you said?
test you are not giving the test unit test
Ha, sir. I missed it.
okay why
सर आधीचे लेक्चर केलं म्हणजे त्या दिवशी टेस्ट आहे माहित नव्हतं मला एका फ्रेंडनी सांगितलं होतं
okay
पण परत मला लेट झाला जॉईन करायला आणि ओपनच होत नव्हती टेस्ट
बर आता टेस्ट ओपन होऊ
After-
शकते करू शकता तुम्ही टेस्ट बरं आहे ना
हा
तुमचं
सर ठीक आहे हा मी आज करेल नक्की
तुमचं बरं आहे ना
हा सर बरी आहे आता
ओके ओके चालेल रोल नंबर 26 roll number 26 is not there roll number 34 F30 who is this F30 hello F30 roll number 30
Yes, sir.
हा नाव आपलं नाव काय
प्रथमेश बोंगे.
अरे प्रथमेश बोलतायत का मग नाव टाका ना रे F30 कसं कळायचं मला तुमच्या नावाने जर दुसरं कोणी रोल नंबर दुसरं कोणी कनेक्ट झालं तर मला काय माहिती ना ओके नाव
Sorry,
टाका
sir.
नाही ओके so 43 अश्विनी
सर
टेस्ट नाही दिली तुम्ही
सर माहितच नव्हतं
माहित नव्हतं टेलिग्राम ग्रुप पाहत नाही का टेलिग्राम
सर ते
ग्रुप
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम असल्यामुळे
येत नाही बर आज लिंक चालू आहे टेस्ट द्या ती 48
ओके सर
नाहीये 67 नाहीये 70 महेश येस टेस्ट नाही दिली महेश हॅलो महेश आहात का गेला महेश टेस्ट द्या लिंक चालू आहे तुमचा आवाज येत नाही आमच्यापर्यंत टेस्ट द्या तेवढे ओके सो लेट यू स्टार्ट so last topic remaining that we are start here that is the indeterminate form okay या युनिटचा लास्ट टॉपिक काय आहे इनडिटर्मिनेट फॉर्म लास्ट टॉपिक आणि पॉइंट मध्ये फरक आहे इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म टॉपिकच होतं ना. तुम्ही माय म्हणताय. नाही नाही, तुम्ही तयार केलं. Okay, anyone, can you tell me what is the indeterminate form in short? What do you know about this indeterminate form?
Not defined.
Huh? Is not defined. Okay, anybody?
Function which is not defined in given limits.
Function which is not defined in the given limit. Okay. Any another? Ritesh, 0 by 0. Okay. So we see the indeterminate form in terms of any function we arrived on in the form of 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, means we cannot find that value. We cannot that, in short, we cannot find in the value. Okay. At that time, we write down in terms of indeterminate forms. Okay. So good. So we just write down the definition of this indeterminate form. Write down indeterminate form. For that, we are consider the any two function. Let f of x and g of x be any two function. Be any two function of x such that f of a equal to 0 and g of a is equal to 0, then the ratio f of x is said to be, then the ratio f of x is said to assume the f of x, the ratio f of x divided by g of x is said to assume the indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Suppose 0 by 0 at x equal to a. At x equal to a. Okay, so what is indeterminate form? Let f of x and g of x be any two function of x such that f of a equal to 0 and g of a equal to 0, then the ratio f of x upon g of x is said to assume the indeterminate form 0 by 0 at x equal to a. At x equal to a. At x equal to a. Okay. So this is nothing but indeterminate form. So there are 7 indeterminate forms. There are 7 indeterminate forms. So we write down one by one. 0 by 0, first form. Then second form, infinity by infinity. Third form, 0 into infinity. Fourth form, infinity minus infinity. Next form, 0 raised to 0. Next form, infinity raised to 0 and 1 raised to infinity. These are the 7 forms. So if we are easily from the first step, when you put that x equal to a, we got any one of this form. Any one of this form. That form is called as indeterminate form. That form is called indeterminate form. Now, how to solve this 7 form? Yes, anyone? How to solve this 7 form? How to find the limit of this 7 form? If you got the limit extends to pi by 2 sin x, what is the limit extends to pi by 2 sin x? The plane function extends to pi by 2 sin x. What is the answer is 1. Suppose we take that limit extends to 0, x divided by or limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 divided by x square plus 1, or x square minus 1. So what this form is 0 by 0 form. So how we solve? We solve this first of all by using simple calculation or just simplification, adjustment, or any another form that we know. Okay.
Hospital
Okay, let's put together. We use the L-Hospital rule. Okay, anyone? So tell me what is the L-Hospital rule? What is the L-Hospital rule?
डेरिवेटिव्ह घ्यायचं
Derivative घ्यायचं कशाचं?
गिवन फंक्शनचं
Okay, given functions the derivative घ्यायचं. So we write down that the indeterminate form, the indeterminate form 0 by 0, or it is also called as the 0 by 0 formulas म्हणू शकतो आपण L-Hospital rule. L-Hospital rule. So what is the L-Hospital rule for the 0 by 0? Suppose let f of x and g of x be function, any function such that f of a is equal to 0 and g of a is equal to 0. That limit of f of x and g of x is 0 means आपण असं म्हणू शकतो limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a असतं आणि त्यालाच आपण म्हटले 0, and limit x tends to a, g of x is equal to g of a, that is a 0. Now how we solve this example? Limit x tends to a, f of x upon g of x. So by using L-Hospital rule, because we got that this is 0 by 0 form, so how we solve? So limit x tends to a, so we just take that separate numerator derivative and denominator derivative. Note this thing, separate derivative we take f dash of x upon g dash of x. We cannot take here u upon v rule. We take separate derivative of numerator term and we take separate derivative of denominator term. Okay, that is your L-Hospital rule. म्हणजे जे आपण आता एक्झाम्पल पाहिलं होतं कुठलं होतं, x minus 1 divided by x square minus 1 हा 0 by 0 फॉर्म असेल त्याचं सेपरेट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं घेणार? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, what derivative of numerator? Limit x tends to
1
is 1. What derivative of denominator is
2x
2x. Just we have put the value x equal to 1, we got the answer is 1. In this way you have find separately we can take the derivative of numerator and we can take derivative of denominator. This is nothing but your L-Hospital rule. Okay, so any problem? I think this topic is already we are teach in 12th standard. Am I right?
yes sir
Okay, just we go to the next part. Okay, the indeterminate, next the indeterminate form infinity by infinity. Again same we have considered that limit x tends to 0 घेऊया, limit x tends to a घेऊया. Limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to infinity, and limit x tends to a, g of x equal to infinity. And this implies limit x tends to a, f of x upon g of x. कुठला फॉर्म झाला हा? Infinity by infinity. And how we solve this infinity by infinity form? Okay, how we solve this infinity by infinity form? Just we are same. Limit x tends to a, we use the L-Hospital rule, taking derivative of numerator and denominator. In this way you will find, limit 0 by 0 and limit infinity by infinity form. Okay. यस पूनम. ओके. राहुल केलंय का जमा कॉलेजमध्ये येऊन? हा. Okay, this is the indeterminate form. So all of you understand the indeterminate form? Yes or no?
येस सर.
Okay, okay. Now we take some few important result that already you have studied in 12th standard. Okay, just we repeat that result. सगळ्यांचं झालंय का लिहून? सगळ्यांचं लिहून झालंय का?
येस सर झालं.
पुढच्या पेज जायचं.
येस सर.
येस सर.
कोणाचं राहिलंय का लिहायचं? Please respond me fastly.
No, sir.
So we go to the next important result. First, limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x. Yes. Limit
One.
x-
1.
0, tan x upon x.
1.
But
1.
third, limit x tends to 0, sin inverse of x upon x.
1.
1.
1.
Fourth, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x raised to 1 upon x. Fifth, limit x tends to 0, x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x. And sixth one, limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 divided by x. Yes. Limit x tends to 0, 1 upon x raised to 1 upon x. Yes, anyone?
E.
E, very good enough. E. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x.
Log A.
Log EA.
Log
A.
A.
Log A. Limit x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 divided by x. Just
One.
we change that e into
1.
1.
sums of a. So
One.
we got that answer
One.
is log e. That is log
One.
e is nothing but
1.
1.
Okay, these are the some important result, and there are more important result. There are more result for this limit. Already we are teaching 12th standard. We do not take that result. Just we remember that result. Okay. So depending this topic, we are directly solve the example on this first topic, that is a 0 by 0 form, which is bifurcate 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, and so and so. Okay. Yes, Amol. चार लेक्चर होते संपवलं मग लेक्चर संपवलं उद्या इंडिपेंडंट फॉर्म नाही संपलं उद्या परवा संपलं झाले सगळ्यांचं? पुढच्या पेजला जायचं.
येस सर.
Okay. Write the example. बरं आता सुचलं बरं. Write on the example on example on 0 by 0 form. Example on 0 by 0 form. Okay, write on the first example. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, x e raised to x minus log of 1 plus x divided by x square. Divided by x square. Okay. Solution. Let L equal to limit x tends to 0. X e raised to x minus log of 1 plus x divided by x square. Now see, very important. I will write on the step. Very important. See. So what is the function f of x here? X e raised to x minus log 1 plus x. This is f of x. And what is g of x? Is x square. आता सेपरेट करत बसत नाही. सेपरेट करत गेलं तर आपलं एक्झाम्पल खूप मोठं होतंय. डायरेक्टली इथेच ओरली substitute x equal to 0 in numerator and denominator. First we check in denominator. What is the denominator we got?
0.
0. So we got that 0. What about the numerator?
0.
X equal to 0, e raised to 0 is 1. 0 minus log of 1 plus x 0. So log 1. So what is log 1? 0. So total answer is 0. So we got the which form?
0 by 0.
0 by 0. So this step is we are written is that in bracket 0 by 0. This is very important. Okay. That understand we use which formula here. Okay. So 0 by 0 form. Now what do you apply? What do you apply? If the limit get the 0 by 0 form, that is the indeterminate form 0 by 0 form, then we apply by
L hospital.
L hospital rule. So by L hospital rule, what do you get the answer? We just take the derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator. Now we check. What is derivative of denominator? Is 2x. Okay. What is derivative of numerator? X into e raised to x. What is the derivative of x into e raised to x? Use u into v rule. There are the two functions. So x e raised to x plus e raised to x into derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of log 1 plus x. What derivative of log 1 plus x? 1 upon 1 plus x into derivative is 1 plus x is 1. Okay. Now we check again. We just put the value orally. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. 0. Put x equal to 0. 0 plus 1 minus x equal to 0. 1 divided by 0. Which form? 0 by 0. Again we use 0 by 0 form. Again we go use 0 by 0 form. So again we differentiate. कुठपर्यंत डिफरन्शिएट करायचं रे? कुठपर्यंत डिफरन्शिएट करायचं? येस एनीबडी? कुठपर्यंत डिफरन्शिएट करायचं? जोपर्यंत 7 फॉर्म सोडून एखादे ट्रू व्हॅल्यू येत नाहीये, एखादे ट्रू लिमिट येत नाही, तोपर्यंत करायचंय. ओके. सो व्हॉट इज डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस x e raised to x? x e raised to x plus e raised to x. What derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x? What derivative of 1 upon 1 plus x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square. This minus minus plus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square. Okay. Now just we put the value. Just we have put the value x equal to 0. X equal to 0. So in denominator, first we check the denominator. Denominator ला 0 येते का? नाही येत. 0 येत नसेल तर डायरेक्टली व्हॅल्यू लिहून टाका. जर 0 येत असेल तर मग न्यूमरेटरला चेक करा. सो डिनॉमिनेटरला 0 येत नाहीये. So x equal to 0. Where we got the 0, x equal to 0, we got e raised to 1, e raised to 0 is 1, e raised to 0 is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 0, that is 1. So what do you get the answer? L equal to 3/2. So in this way, we got the answer. Hello, clear everyone? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This type of question asked in 3 mark for offline exam. And online exam for 1 mark. Note this thing. आता म्हणताना एवढा डिफरन्स का? तर तसंच आहे. अच्छा. त्यातले निम्मे आन्सर वाले बी काढले. फक्त लिमिटचे आन्सर बरोबर झाले. त्याचे ऑलरेडी आन्सर बी दिलेले. जे बोल्ड तेच म्हणजे आपण कुठे रिस्पॉन्स सेंड केलं? रिस्पॉन्स सेंड नाही केला. कसं काय? ते सोडून दे ना, आता टाकायचं नाही आन्सर. आता टाक आन्सर. बस किती एवढं करत बसते. किती वाजता आहे? 4 वाजता ना. पण 15 मिनिटात आन्सर होतील ना. काढ ना तेवढं. मला कुठं ऍक्सेस दिला तू? मला ऍक्सेस दे संध्याकाळी. ऍक्सेस नाही दिला. ऍक्सेस दे संध्याकाळी आन्सर काढून. पीबी जरा जीमेलला टाक. रिस्पॉन्स ह्याला जीमेलला टाक. बी प्रसादला टाक. हा, कारण की इकडून रिस्पॉन्स जाणार नाही. हा, सगळ्यांना अंडरस्टँड झालंय का रे? कोणाला काय अडचण? हॅलो, आणखी राहिलेत माहिती का? 5 जण राहिलेत एक्झाम द्यायची. नगर राहिलेत नगर. अरे कोणाला काय अडचण मित्रांनो?
नो सर.
ओके ओके. इझी ना? सो इव्हॅल्युएट ज्यांचे झाले असेल त्यांच्यासाठी लिमिट x टेन्स टू 0 log of 1 plus kx square divided by 1 minus cos x. Okay, tell me the answer in chat box. What is the answer? Yes. Tell me the answer in chat box. Yes, कोणाचा आन्सर आला नाही आणखीन? माझ्या माहितीनुसार 12वीला तुम्ही कमीत कमी एक नोटबुक भरवली असेल लिमिट वरती. अरे बरोबर आहे का? No Shubham, it's wrong. No Shubham. Yes, Rohini, right. Shubham, please click check your calculation. U into V rule. First we check the denominator. So we got a denominator is sin 0 0 plus 1 plus 0 cos 0 is 1 into 2k. So what is the answer is 2k divided by 1. So answer L equal to 2k. L equal to 2k. 2k is the answer. Can I go to the next page? All of you understand this L-Hospital rule? The first form is 0 by 0. झालंय सगळ्यांचं? राहिलंय?
येस सर झालं.
Okay, can we go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one. Just a bit. Third one. Limit x tends evaluate. Limit x tends to y. X raised to y minus y raised to x divided by x raised to x minus y raised to y. Yes. Let L equal to limit x tends to y. X tends to y म्हणल्यावर व्हेरिएबल कुठला झाला आणि कॉन्स्टंट कुठला झाला रे? y काय झाला? कॉन्स्टंट झाला आणि x काय झाला? व्हेरिएबल झाला. जस्ट वी हैव पुट x equal to y. X equal to y put केला y raised to y, y raised to y, y raised to y, y raised to y. We got the form 0 by 0. Then by L-Hospital rule. What do you get the answer by L-Hospital rule? Just we have take the derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator. What derivative of numerator? X raised to y is a derivative. Which form? X raised to y. This is in the form of x raised to n case. So what is the derivative of this? N into x raised to n minus 1. So we got that y into x raised to y minus 1. Then y raised to x. This is the form of a raised to x form. So what is that? Y raised to x into log of y. Am I right? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Because y is constant
Yes, sir.
and x is variable. Y is constant and x is variable. Now, what derivative of? What derivative of x raised to x? What derivative of x raised to x? Y is equal to x raised to x. कसा काढणार x raised to derivative? Take log on both sides.
Log both sides.
Log y is equal to x log x. We got? Okay, just wait. Log y. So differentiate 1 upon y. dy by dx is equal to derivative x into 1 upon x plus log x. Just simplify. dy by dx is equal to y ni multiply kara. We got 1 plus log x. Now we just put the value of y. dy dx of x raised to x is equal to x raised to x 1 plus log x. So we just put the value. We got x raised to x 1 plus log x minus derivative of y raised to y 0. So we got that L equal to limit x tends to y raised to x raised to y minus 1, y raised to x log y divided by x raised to x 1 plus log x. Now we put the value of x equal to y. X equal to y put केला काय भेटेल इथे x equal to y put केल्यावर इथे काय भेटला y into y raised to y minus 1. इथे काय भेटला y raised to y log y divided by इथे काय भेटला y raised to y 1 plus log y. Okay, so y raised to y. So what do you get the answer? Cancel होत नाहीये. So we put the value कारण denominator आपला cancel होत नाहीये. So we just put the value L equal to Denominator 0 येत नाही. So we just got the y raised to y. 1 plus log y. Now we just got y into y raised to y minus 1 minus y raised to y log 1. So L equal to y raised to y minus 1 and हा y काय होणार? Y raised to y log y divided by y raised to y 1 plus log y. So what is the common from numerator? What is common from numerator? Numerator मधून काय common निघतो रे?
I raised to I.
Y raised to y get cancel. What is the remaining? 1 minus log y
1 plus log y.
1 plus log y. So that is the answer. 1 minus log y divided by 1 plus log y. All of you understand? Please reply me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. झालं सगळ्यांचं? पुढचं एक्झाम्पल देऊया. Okay, now take the next example. Fourth one, na? Fourth one. You all it? Limit extends to 0. Cos hyperbolic x minus cos x divided by x sin x. First check the denominator. Huh? Denominator. So x equal to 0. Denominator is 0. Now take numerator. Cos 0. Cos hyperbole 0 is 0. Sorry, cos hyperbole 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Now just take the derivative by L'Hospital rule. Would you get the answer? L equal to limit extends to 0. Derivative of cos hyperbolic x is plus sin hyperbolic x. And note this thing: derivative of cos hyperbolic plus sin hyperbolic. And derivative of plain cos is minus sin. Is minus minus become plus sin divided by x sin x, x cos x plus x plus sin x. Now you put x equal to 0, x equal to 0, denominator becomes 0. Now you check the numerator. Sin 0, 0. Sin hyperbole 0, 0. Total answer is 0. Again use the L'Hospital rule. We got derivative of sin hyperbolic is plus cos hyperbole. Derivative of sin x plus cos x divided by again derivative x cos x, that is a cos x u into v rule, minus sin x plus cos x plus cos x. Now we check the denominator. Now when you check the denominator, what do you get? The denominator is cos 0, 1, cos 0, 1, x equal to 0. Denominator is not 0, so we just put the value now 0, 1 plus 1. Cos hyperbolic 0 is 1 plus 1. So we got that L equal to 2 by 2 So that is L equal to 1. L equal to 1. ओके, झाले पुढच्या पेज जाऊ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. Now we write down the next fifth one. If limit x tends to 0, sin 2x plus p sin x divided by x cube, sin 2x, sin 2x plus p sin x divided by x cube is finite. Limit काय दिले? Finite दिले. Then find the value of p. Then find the value of p and also find value of the limit. Also find value of the limit. But the question is given, if you are given the limit x tends to 0, sin 2x plus p sin x divided by x cube is finite, limit is finite, then what is the exact value of p? Okay, and also find the value of the limit. Okay, so for that we will assume that normal process, regular process, limit x tends to 0, sin 2x plus p sin x divided by x cube. Now just we have put the value x equal to 0. When you put the value x equal to 0, denominator is 0, na? What about the numerator? Sin 0 is 0. Okay, then by L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, what do you get? L equal to limit x tends to 0. Just take the derivative. What derivative of denominator? Derivative of numerator. What derivative of denominator is 3x square. Derivative of numerator sin 2x derivative kare cos 2x into derivative of 2x is 2 plus p into derivative of sin x is cos x. Now just we have put the value. When you put the denominator, what do you get the value? L equal to x equal to 0. But what about the numerator? Cos 0 is 1 plus p cos 0 is
P.
1. Means we got the value is 2 p plus 2. 2 plus p divided by 0. याचा अर्थ काय रे? याचा अर्थ काय? For 0 by 0 form, your numerator must be 0, na? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here we have found the value of p. So
P
for
plus 2
applying,
minus 2.
for applying L hospital rule, numerator must be
0.
0. So here what is the value? So let's
Plus 2 minus 2.
assume p plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies p is equal to minus 2. So we got the value p is equal to minus 2. We got the value p is equal to minus 2. Everyone clear this? Everyone clear this?
Yes, sir.
Our first question is over. Our first question is over. Find the value of p. Now we find the second value. So L equal to limit x tends to 0. We just put the value p equal to minus 2 in that equation. We got that 2
अरे
cos.
लय मारते तुम्ही.
Yes, sir.
अरे गपची बस ना.
2 cos 2x minus 2 cos x divided by 3x square. Okay. Now we use a value भेटली p ची ती value या ठिकाणी फुटली. Now we use L hospital. What do you get that? So sorry. So just we have put the value x equal to 0. So x equal to 0, denominator becomes 0. So x equal to 0, cos 0, 1. Cos 0, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So we got the 0 by 0. So L hospital we use limit x tends to 0. Derivative of numerator. What derivative of numerator? Is 2 cos 2x minus 4 sin 2x is the derivative of cos 2x minus plus 2 sin x divided by 6x. Am I right? Now just we put the value x equal to 0, we got 0 by 0 form. L equal to limit x tends to 0. Denominator derivative 6, numerator derivative minus 8 cos 2x plus 2 cos x. Now we check. Put value x equal to 0. Numerator's value is 0 येत नाहीये. ती येते 6. Now we put the value for numerator. So what is the value of numerator? 8 cos 2x. So 8 into 1 plus 2 into 1. So what is the answer? Minus 8 plus 2 divided by 6. So what is the answer? L equal to minus 6 upon 6. So L equal to minus 1. So limit value we got the minus 1. We will find the value of the limit, that is the minus 1. It is a finite. So everyone understand, if some equation, some limit having unknown, then we find first unknown, then we find the value of the limit. Yes. Everyone clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just write down. If any problem, please ask me. Yeah? झालंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, still remaining anyone, please win. Krishna,
Yes, sir.
झालंय ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we solve the last example on this. Last example 6-1, 6-1 ना? सव्वाच है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Find A and B if limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus a cos x minus b sin x divided by x cube is equal to 1. So we find the value of a and b. We find the value of a and b if we are given this value, if we are given this type of function. Okay. So let assume that let L equal to limit x tends to 0, x times 1 plus a cos x minus b sin x divided by x cube. First of all, we find denominator. So what is denominator we got? Denominator काय भेटला? X equal to 0 टाकला 0 भेटला ना. Numerator x equal to 0 whole term becomes 0. Bracket whole term becomes 0. Minus b sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 ना. एका 0 मधून दुसरा 0 गेला. किती राहिले रे? 0 राहिले ना. Okay. So we got that by L-Hospital rule. By L-Hospital rule. What do you get the answer by L-Hospital rule? L equal to. Now we just take the denominator, derivative of the numerator and derivative of the denominator. Derivative of denominator is 3x square. Derivative of numerator using u into v rule, x into derivative of 1, 0 plus a, what is that? Minus a sin x. Cos derivative minus sin x. Minus b, plus 1 plus a cos x into derivative of x is 1 minus b cos x. Just simplification. L equal to limit x tends to 0. What is simplification? Minus a times x sin x plus 1 plus a cos x minus b cos x divided by 3x square. Now we just put the value x equal to 0. X equal to 0. X equal to 0 टाकला पा. 0 टाकला. X equal to 0. X equal to 0. 0 भेटतो. X equal to 0. Cos 0 1. Cos 0 1. 1 plus a minus b. न्यूमरेटरला 0 भेटत नाहीये. पहा L equal to. मग त्या ठिकाणी आपण इक्वेशन तयार करणार. L equal to 0. So we got the 0. 1 plus a minus b. Again for L-Hospital. For 0 by 0 form, numerator must be 0. So we put that 1 plus a minus b equal to 0. This implies a minus b is equal to minus 1. We write on the equation number first. Equation 1 भेटला. a आणि b ची व्हॅल्यू भेटलेली नाहीये. मागच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये p ची डायरेक्टली व्हॅल्यू भेटली, त्याच्यामुळे पुट केली. त्या ठिकाणी पुट करू शकतो का इक्वेशन? नाही. सो ह्याला वाटलंच तर 1 द्या, ह्याला इक्वेशन 2 द्या. ओके. सो अगेन यूज L-Hospital rule for 1. आता काही म्हणतील सर 0 by 0 फॉर्म झाला नाही, मग L-Hospital rule कसा यूज करायचं? We don't know exact value of a and b ना. So that's why you use first of all that rule. So L equal to limit x tends to 0. We just take the numerator derivative. What numerator derivative? Minus a times x cos x minus a sin x. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 1, 0 minus a sin x minus plus b sin x. बरोबर आहे का? अरे बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Derivative is 6x. Okay, now use x equal to 0. Numerator becomes 0. What about the denominator? X equal to 0, sine 0, 0, sine 0, 0. All term is sine, so the answer is 0. Again, use the hospital. We got the limit x tends to 0 divided by what derivative of minus a into x cos x minus a times cos x, because the derivative of x is 1. माइनस ए हा मायनस आणि हा मायनस किती होणार रे? -2a होणार आहे. ओके, आपल्याला सिम्प्लिफाय करू. व्हॉट इज द आन्सर? -2a cos x प्लस b cos x.
तर प्लस होणार ना, प्लस एक
Six.
कुठे कुठे कुठे?
पहिली टर्म
First term.
न्यूमरेटर मध्ये
हा हा,
डेरिव्हेटिव्ह cos x मायनस
ओके ओके ओके, सॉरी. Okay, plus a times x sin x, कारण derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So we got the answer. Now we just put the value. Numerator is already not equal to 0. So we just put that x equal to whatever the value. So for the term x equal to 0 टाकला हा 0 होणार आहे. x equal to 0 टाकला हा minus a. x equal to 0 टाकला हा काय होणार आहे? -2a. x equal to 0 टाकला हा किती होणार? b. So answer is -3a plus b is equal to 6. This implies for numerator it is 0. So what do you get the equation? Sorry. But we know that this is the final answer, na, value of the limit. But we know that this value is equal to what? What this value is equal to? What is this value equal to? 1. 1. Okay. We got the value of the limit because denominator is not 0, na. So we got -3a by b divided by 6. We got -3a plus b is equal to 6. Equation number 2 द्या. Sorry, equation number 3. आता आपण 1 and 3 परत लिहून घेऊया. पहा 1 काय सांगतंय? इक्वेशन 1 काय सांगतंय? a minus b is equal to किती रे?
1.
-1. इक्वेशन नंबर ह्याला देऊया 2. ऑलरेडी दिलेच आपण. आणि इथे किती? 3a plus b म्हणजे -3a plus b is equal to 6. इक्वेशन नंबर 3. हे दोन इक्वेशन सॉल्व करावं लागेल. सो फॉर सॉल्विंग 2 and 3 काय करावं लागेल? इक्वेशन 2 काय करावं लागेल? प्लस का मायनस?
Add करा. Add.
इक्वेशन 3 we get what do you get the addition? A minus b is equal to -1 -3a plus b is equal to 6. So what is the addition?
-2a is equals to 5.
-2a is equal to 5. So what is the value of a? -5/2. So put a in कुठल्यामध्ये टाकायचं आहे? 2 मध्ये टाकूया. We got -5/2 minus b is equal to -1. So minus b -1 plus 5/2. So what do you get the answer? Is 3/2. So what is the b? This implies b is equal to -3/2. So we got the value. Okay, we got the value. A is equal to and b equal to. So we got the value. A is equal to -5/2 and b equal to -3/2. So everyone clear this? Please respond me.
येस सर.
Okay, we got the answer. Okay, so just write down. We take just 2 or 3 minutes more. Okay, already आपण 5 मिनिटं जास्त घेतले, आणखी एक 5 मिनिटं जास्त घेऊया. काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही ना तुम्हाला?
No, sir.
Okay, just write down. पण झालंय का लिहून का जस्ट टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट? काय करताय? लिहून झालंय का?
नेक्स्ट पेज.
Okay, just take the screenshot, rest of people. तुझे आन्सर पाहिजे का तुम्हाला? This is for your hard work. We need answer or not? तुला आन्सर पाहिजे का नको?
नो सर, नको.
नको ना?
Yes.
पाहिजे. Okay. This answer is -1. This answer is 2. This answer is 1. This answer is A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C equal to 1. 3 वेळा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 3 वेळा इक्वेशन तयार होतील किंवा पहिल्या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला A ची व्हॅल्यू भेटेल, डोंट नो. B ची व्हॅल्यू भेटेल, डोंट नो. काय सांगू शकत नाही कुठली व्हॅल्यू भेटेल ती. ओके, सो दिस इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ -1, 2, 1 हे आन्सर आहेत बरं का. Okay, so all of you understand? Any problem?
No sir.
Okay. So this is the end of 0 by 0 form. How many form is remaining? Now 6 form is remaining. Infinity by infinity. Tomorrow there is a 2 lecture. In that 2 lecture, we are trying to complete infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, and infinity minus infinity. आपला परवा टॉपिक संपेल, गुरुवारी हा इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म संपेल. जेणेकरून तुम्ही शनिवारपर्यंत असाइनमेंट जमा करू शकता. सगळ्यांना असाइनमेंट भेटली? हॅलो?
येस सर.
ओके.
Yes.
काही अडचण असेल तर विचारा, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. हा, सो जस्ट
सर प्रीवियस पेज ओपन करा.
ओके, जस्ट वेट. Okay, this is the previous page. Okay, can you go to the next page? झाले सगळ्यांचा स्क्रीनशॉट घेतलाय? हॅलो?
येस.
Yes sir.
So we stop here. Any problem? Still, if you have any problem, please ask me. Okay, so we stop here.